Hey there. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to install MetaMask very quickly on a Chrome browser. Now, I know what you're thinking, not another video on how to install MetaMask because there's probably about 1,000 out there already. But hey, what's one more? First of all, let's take a look at what exactly is MetaMask. We'll ask trusty Google here and you'll see that it's a software cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. So you're going to need a wallet no matter what in the blockchain space, whether to interact with a decentralized application or to store some tokens or to transfer. So MetaMask is a really popular one, particularly in Ethereum. There are lots of other options out there as well, but let's go ahead and download and install MetaMask in this particular example. What I'll do is I'm going to type Chrome MetaMask, and you can do this for your favorite browsers such as Brave or Safari or even Edge. But if I go Chrome, you'll see here that it takes me to the Google Store where I'll click on MetaMask, and then very easily in the top right hand corner you can see I've got Add to Chrome. You can see here it's a very popular wallet, right? Because there's 10 million plus users that have already installed and downloaded it. Down below here you can get some more information such as what is MetaMask, this very short video on YouTube, and there's more information down below. But what I'll do is let's add this to Chrome, add the extension here, and it's basically a three-step process. First of all, let's agree to the terms of use, and I'm going to create a new wallet first. So let's click on this. Let's go ahead and agree, and then we'll create our password here, 8 characters, like so, and click on the box that MetaMask cannot recover this password. So no one can. If you lose this password, as long as you have your master key or your seed phrase, you're going to be okay. So, but try not to forget it. Let's go create new wallet, and in step 2 here, you can either go ahead and do this step later or secure backup your wallet right now. And that's what we'll do, right? This process involves writing down your 12-word phrase that is called your master key or your secret recovery phrase. And you want to store it somewhere safe, and you don't want to share it with anyone as well. So let's go ahead and click on secure my wallet. You can see here, make sure no one is looking. You want to maybe draw your curtains. You want to make sure no one is around, and then click on this link here. And then you've got 12 very common words. Let's copy this to clipboard, and I'll paste this to my notepad. And then when I go to the next screen, it's going to ask me to confirm a couple of words. So the third word here is going to be raccoon for me. It's going to be title, and the 8th one after daughter is find. And this will 100% be different for you. Let's confirm this. And there we have it. MetaMask is happy that it is confident I've written this down, and I can go to the next step. Go through. And there we have it. We've got MetaMask installed. It's connected to Ethereum mainnet. I can choose different other networks as well. I can add new networks in. I've got my address, which is similar to my bank account number, right? And then I've got my balance and the various options of what I can do. Now, one thing I recommend is in the top right-hand corner here, under extensions, the little jigsaw icon. Let's select the pin icon here, just to pin it to the toolbar. And then I can go ahead and click on this and also interact with MetaMask in this little pop-up or this drop-down. So what I'll do is let's close the browser here, click on this. And what I'll do is to log out, you want to lock MetaMask like so. And then just to double check, I can log in. And I can. Now, let me go ahead and pretend that I've lost my laptop, right? Or I've lost access to my wallet. So what I'm going to do is remove this from Chrome, like so. And I'm going to repeat the process, but this time I want to restore my wallet. So let's add this to Chrome again. And again, it's a very simple process, providing that you still have your super secret phrase. So let's agree, import an existing wallet here. Let's agree again. And then I'm just going to copy out from Notepad my secret phrase, confirm, reset my password. So again, note that if I did forget my password and locked myself out, I can always reset my password this way. Tick the box, import my wallet, and there we have it. So if I did have any funds on this wallet, it would reappear here magically, and everything, including the transactions, the activities, the NFT tokens I might have, will magically reappear. So there we have it. A very quick example of how to install MetaMask on your Chrome browser.